Business of equivalency theory is that even if students receive very different experiences, it is their equivalence that is important. We do not need to provide students with the same experience. We need to provide them with the equivalent experience. Our text, Teaching and Learning at a Distance, states that just as a triangle and a square may have the same area and be considered equivalent, either they are quite different to the material shades, the experience of local learners and distance learners should have equivalent value even though these experiences may be quite different. It takes much thought to put this into development, implementation, and management of courses. It is no less true for distant learning courses and programs, and it is true for face-to-face, on-campus courses or programs to provide these things, just as it requires different ways of thinking to ensure the equivalent experience in developing the courses. It is important to look at what the goals for the courses are and find ways to make these goals, even if they are completely different than the methods that you would use on an on-campus or face-to-face classroom. Mickle and On 2008 provides a good example of this in their development equivalent lab experiences for distant corners. They provide for learning of concepts with minimal lab equipment so the distant learners can have a lab-on experience with extraordinary costs. This requires a lot of thinking and planning, but it provides for effective science instructions and distant learning at the same level of thinking and evaluating. Into every aspect of distant learning courses, just as employments present many different challenges, these face-to-face learning and these challenges need to be met and overcome with the final goal of global experiences in mind. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Thank you so much.